Hey everyone, I'm Jonathan from Can-Am, and today I have a Maverick Sport SxC with me to show you how to change your front differential fluid. Regardless of what Can-Am off-road vehicle you own, the process shown here will be very similar. Most car owners understand the importance of getting an oil change, and your side-by-side's differential fluid follows a similar process. This specialized oil interacts with certain gears that control your ability to take corners smoothly and conduct nice and easy turns. Can-Am recommends you change your differential oil every 4,000 miles or 200 hours in normal conditions. If you're riding this thing like you should, with a lot of mud and dust flying around, you're gonna wanna do it a little more often, like every 2,000 miles or 100 hours, whichever comes first. Here's what you'll need to get it done: a torque wrench, a funnel, a drain pan, some rags or towels, and SxS synthetic gear oil. To start, make sure the vehicle is on a level surface and the gear is set to park. Both the fill and drain plug for the front differential are located here on the right side of the vehicle. It gets a little tight to work in here, so a quick trick is to turn the wheels to the right for a little more clearance. After you finish draining your fluid, place the drain plug back in. Then take your new diff fluid and pour it into the tank using this hole. Since SxS oil is specifically formulated to suit BRP's differential, we very strongly recommend using this product. If not, you risk damaging the vehicle's internal parts. Once finished, reinstall the filler plug on the right-hand side of the vehicle. And of course, we want to make sure we're disposing of the old oil properly. Check with your local city or town to see where the closest oil dump station is. All right, everyone, that's all for today. Make sure to subscribe for more Can-Am tips and tricks. Hit us up on social media, and we'll see you out there.